is Vlogmas week 2. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga balak gumawa ng Vlogmas because I really think I'll be busy for this December because of 12/12 for Lana PH, and I have so much events lined up right now and I have so much things to do. But I just realized that sinulat ko sa bucket list for 2019 ko na I have to do a Vlogmas. Sabi ko pa nga dapat may 30 consecutive days of posting on YouTube ako because I wanted to have at least 100 videos this year, but apparently I won't be able to do that. So I'll compromise with myself na weekly na lang ako gagawa ng Vlogmas because I don't really think I can film and edit on the same day. And sa mga gumagawa ng Vlogmas, oh my god, ang galing nyo. I also hope I can do that someday. And welcome to Vlogmas week 2 day 1. What labo. Today is full of meetings, but right now I'll cook lunch first, and today's lunch is tuna sisig. And yes, if you guys are wondering, we are still not vegan, although Josh and I are trying to incorporate a lot of plants in our diet. I also explain this a lot on my I Am Not Zero Waste video, which I'll link up here. And ayun. So this is how it looks like. Di siya appetizing pero promise masarap siya.
Mag ko yan, FYI.
Nakikimag lang siya. Hindi, joke. Mag talaga niya. Para lang kunwari kulang. We are now on our way to the office. Monday is usually a busy day. It's a day of meetings. So today I'll be meeting with my sales team, my operations managers, and the creative team. I am also makeupless today. It's that time of the month and I have this. So I'm just letting my skin breathe. Although almost every day naman talaga ako hindi nag-makeup. Dahil tamad ako mag-makeup. And yeah, that's it. This is just skincare. So let's go to the office. Alright, ipapakita ko na lang kayo. Si Maine and Reggie. Sila yung creative team ng Lana PH. They're the people behind the pretty photos and videos of Lana. Good morning. I just finished tidying up the house a bit kasi papunta si Reggie and Tui dahil today ang kulay day namin. Kasama sa bucket list ko for 2019 to color my hair blonde. So I'm doing it right now. It's actually my first time to dye my hair blonde. And I'm really excited and kinakabahan at the same time kasi hindi ko alam kung bagay sa akin. And I kept telling Josh about it last night. And then he said na, di kapag hindi mo gusto, magpakulay ka na lang ulit ng black. And he has a point, although I really hope it does suit me kasi sobrang tagal ko nang gustong maging blonde. And this is the kind of excitement actually I was getting when I was planning to cut my hair really, really short. So, wish me luck! Sabay kami magkukulay ni Louie just because takot ako mag-isa. We are finally living our lives.
Living on the edge. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Anong color mo today?
Secret, blue and violet. Oh my god, I love that. Sabi ni Mama pangit. Let's see. Mother knows best!
Yan na, magpatina underscore doing her magic. So, bleach number 1.
May 2
Hindi pa daw tapos. May bleach 2 pa. Ano na siya? Hailey. Hailey!
T minus 30 seconds.
Okay na kumana.
Nanginginig pa yung paa niya.
Sabay ako.
Any last words?
Girls, fearless.
Take up space. Sabihin mo, take up space.
Take up space. Isa pong kalangaran na
Kalangarangan.
makulayan ni Hilda Regina. Ni at magpatina underscore.
Magnet break.
This is it.
Alam
Alang-alang sa bucket list for 2019.
Woo! Streak of hair.
Streak of hair! Oh my God! Tapos na yung first layer of bleach. I feel so excited! It's
So cute and fresh. Ano nagawa mo?
happy color! This is it! It's time to rinse the hair!
The baby
Are you ready?
My hair.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ay, ako na lang! Ako ang basketball player! Basta ako yung taga-team!
Yeah, tignan mo kapag nakaganyan. Yay! Sorry. Siyempre hindi pa matapos.
This is take 1. My gosh, hindi pa to tapos, friends. Huwag kayong ano dyan. Tapos namin with the first coat and it looks like this.
Sino ka
Walaan niyo kung sinong kamukha. Hindi namin sasabihin pero papakita na lang dito. Comment
Who
down.
do you think?
Almost done with the second coating.
Yay!
Ito mo yung sa'yo.
This?
Nakakailang hours na.
6 hours.
6 hours. Pero it doesn't feel like 6 hours kasi nasa bahay. So, it's so convenient. I-book nyo na si at magpatina underscore.
Next year.
Next year daw. Talaga pa.
Guess what? Guess where this water is coming?
Yeah.
Comment down below.
I'm so excited to show you this. Oh my gosh. Dyeing my hair blonde for 2019. Check. I'm so happy. Look at that. Sobrang na-anxious ako kagabi. This is the next day. We finished around 12:13
a.m. kanina. And we started around 11 a.m. So it took us around 13.5 hours to achieve this hair. It was done by Reggie, the owner of @magpatina_, and she does your hair at the comfort of your own home. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I can't imagine doing this in the parlor, sitting for 13 hours in a parlor chair. I just can't do that. So, pumunta siya sa bahay. It was so convenient. Sabay kami ni Louie actually, kaya siguro naging 13 hours kasi dalawa kami sabay niyang ginawa. And okay siya kasi habang nag-iintay ka mag-bleach and the color and stuff, you can do your chores. I worked, I did errands, so it's really, really convenient. And look at that. Ah! Sobrang naninibago pa ako sa kulay ng hair ko. But I really love it. My sister's hair is also really pretty. I'll also put a video here. And I can see na healthy pa rin yung hair ko kahit bin-bleach siya and stuff. I was thinking it would really be so dry and stuff. So